All right, and we're back with our end of day post wave report with yours truly, the Algo Capitalist, aka the Vulcan, coming to you live from PulseWaveTrading.com, home of the world famous post wave price trigger reports that you can have access to at PulseWaveTrading.com. Take the 14-day challenge, see how much money you can make trading alongside us using these reports. So the first chart we have in front of us is the Bitcoin futures market is still very much consolidated, trading within the Kumo cloud of confusion and consolidation. You're in a bear market with a bullish trend momentum reading, but the market is not rallying. We do not have a bear market rally underway. The market is consolidating at this point. Next chart is the silver market. You'll notice here that silver is in the bull market with a bullish trend momentum reading, which simply means that the trend has taken over the price action. It has reclaimed the price action. So you're now back in trending mode in this market. Okay, so you have a rally alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading. All right. Looks like this market is being bid at the key $23 bottom of the Kumo Cloud support. And we're looking for this market to rally back up to the $25 level or so. All right. So that's what we're looking at right now, as the bullish trend momentum reading is still hot. As long as that stays green, this market has all the potential in the world to get up to $28 an ounce. Let's see what the market can do. So you got to buy on that one. Nat gas, bull market, bearish trend momentum reading. Nothing to do here. Next up, we got the Dow. The Dow's in a bull market with a bearish trend momentum reading. And yes, the market finally broke the 33,000 support line. That was a critical, very important support at that 33,000. All right. That was key, ladies and gentlemen. And we now have consecutive closes below that number. This bearish trend momentum reading is playing out. At this point, the Dow is now technically in a free fall status. Unless something happens drastically to change that, we're going to be expecting precipitous drops to come within the next few days, in the next few trading sessions. This is a red alert for the Dow, as this market is facing a complete meltdown. Please, please take heed to the PulseWave reports and trade accordingly. Next up is the NASDAQ 100. You're in a bear market and you have a bullish trend momentum reading. At least you had one, right? You still do for now. However, you were warned. You had a crash alert coming into the trading session, okay? You had one, even though the market was on neutralize. You got downside production today. The market has now come off of neutralize. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, you have a crash alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading for the NASDAQ 100. It is possible, it is looking like the bear market rally has topped out after hitting a fresh 52-week high. It did it in a bear market rally, and it looks like the market is officially topped, and now we're ready for a precipitous drop. The initial downside target for this drop is 13,500, followed by the 13,000 top of the Kumo Cloud support, which is a key technical support area for the NASDAQ 100. The next support is at 12,500, equaling the bottom of the Kumo Cloud. If that does not hold, then this market goes also into meltdown mode along with the Dow. And I think you know what that means. Next up is gold. Gold is still in a bull market with a bearish trend momentum reading. Had a little bit of a rally today that faded into the close, and now that $2,000 psychological resistance is staring gold in the face. And unfortunately, you got the top of the Kumo cloud there too, standing in the way. So 2000 is going to be a key technical resistance point. If gold can get above that, though, then the market can reclaim the price action and we'll start trending bullish again. However, if not, then this bearish trend momentum reading could start to power up to the downside. So watch gold carefully. Next up is the S&P 500. The trend, the market has reclaimed the price action. You're in a bear market with a bearish trend momentum reading. Had a crash alert coming into today, and we got downside production. The 4,200 support did not hold, and we closed below 4,200, which is a key psychological support. The next support is not until the top of the Kumo cloud at 4,100. And if that doesn't hold, then that next technical psychological support or key support is 4,000 even. So if 4,100 doesn't hold and 4,000 doesn't hold, this market goes into free fall and collapse mode. And I think you know what that means. You're going to see levels, price levels that you thought you would never see in your lifetime to the downside. Next up is crude oil. Crude oil is in a bull market with a bearish trend momentum reading. And ever since we got the crash alert, the market has been falling down after it came off of neutralize. The market's gunning for the bearish pointer here that had the 52-week low. That is where the price action is headed right now. It is gunning for that level. Next up is the Russell. The Russell's in a bear market with a bullish trend momentum reading, and it is in a free fall status because it's dropped back below the Kumo cloud. 1800 has proven to be a very tough resistance zone along with 1850. So between 1800 all the way up to 1850 is a key technical resistance zone for the Russell, and it has been extremely difficult for this market to get beyond that point. And now the next downside support is at 1700, which is a key psychological support. If that does not hold, this market also goes into free fall status, and things could get very, very, very messy, especially if this green line turns red and the trend reclaims the price action. Which trend are we speaking about? The bear market trend. Next up is the US dollar index, which is in a bull market with a bullish trend momentum rating, which means that this market is in a substantial bull market with much upside potential. The initial upside target now is between 108 and 109. And if that doesn't hold the market, then we're going back up to the teens, folks. Dollar in the teens. All right, you have been warned. Next up, we got Ethereum futures. Ethereum futures, like Bitcoin, is stuck within the midst of the Kumo cloud of confusion and consolidation. You're in a bear market with a bullish trend momentum reading, and the market is really having a problem with the 2000 psychological resistance. It's a key resistance zone for Ethereum, having a problem in that zone, that 1950 to 2000 zone. Had a big problem with it. Every time the market gets up beyond or between the 1950 and 2000 zone, it has a hard time. And right now, it's no different. If a bear market rally cannot reestablish here shortly, if it can't get above the Kumo cloud, then this green line will turn red, and the bear market trend will reclaim the price action and put the market into a free fall status. And it's a long way down, ladies and gentlemen. You don't want to know how low that is because it will be quite low. All right, so we are waiting to see what happens. We got a few things that look juicy for tonight. The long silver trade looks juicy. Of course, the short stock indices. So we're going to be looking at a few of these things, and we're going to see what comes of it. All right. So you know that the system works if you work the system. Bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. Smash that like button. See you in the next one. Peace.